Okay, she was running a little rich, so I changed down one size on the main jet. I know I'd rather err towards rich, but we'll see what happens. I really wish that the teeth on the clutch would allow me to put my clutch brake back on. They work good, not in the wet though. And I don't know, I think it's gonna wear the tire out quick, but whatever, we'll see what happens. Need to adjust that. Take it for a spin, see what happens. Drop a new plug in it. Here, let me show you something. I just did this to my helmet. I don't know if it's, I guess it's okay. They're not in the way. You see the bicycle mirrors? I put one on both sides so I can see if there's a car behind me. Yeah. Did a nice crisp job on that. And I got my little camera holder here, and just, you know, gloves, elbow and forearm protection, knee and shin protection, and that's that, man. Woo! I put this down so I get no dirt on the concrete. That's only when I use this. Right.